After launching Vivo Y29 5G back in December last year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in Bangladesh, with quite different design and specifications. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y29 4G features a tall 6.68-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 685 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y29 4G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.3 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 204 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y29 4G has been priced in Bangladesh for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Bangladeshi takas, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 21,999 Bangladeshi takas, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 23,999 Bangladeshi takas. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in noble brown and elegant white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y29 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.